Good day, RE Evolutioners. My name is Alex and I'm your personal consultant here. If you are not already an RE Evolutioner, you should be one. What do we do at RE Evolution? We are a data-driven platform created for real estate investors to help manage their business faster and better. Basically, RE Evolution resets your finance. We get rid of all the paperwork and hours of introducing data in your computer and give you a program that does that already for you. We make all the time-consuming tasks disappear and organize your business into a natural flow where your leads get visibility and priority as you can focus on making millions of dollars. You dream, we plan. You need, we customize. Let's have a digital partnership. What do you think? You can reach me at hello@ourevolution.io and I will take you through all the natural steps. In the meantime, I want to make our communication more permanent. I will be posting every week a video about our features and benefits that you get by using our RE Evolution program. On our page, you will find in the meantime videos and what RE Evolution represents and how it works. Also, testimonial videos from our community of friends that already use RE Evolution as a platform for their business. See you soon.